How to turn off groups email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off groups email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications and go down. Here you will find groups, click on it and then just turn email off and go back, and now it will be saved, and that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.